everybody and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Bhuthala sassam or jackfruit rag raita. Rag is Bhuthal, or rag is the English word for Bhuthal in Konkani. Now Bhuthala sassam or this jackfruit raita, it is usually served as a side dish along with rice. Ingredients: you need 1 cup of bhuthal or raw jackfruit rags, a small piece of brindleberry or half cup sour curd is usually added, but if you do not have curd you can go for brindleberry. Then oil for frying. For the ground paste you need grated coconut and red chilies as per your spiciness level, and for seasoning you need oil, mustard, jeera and curry leaves. These are the rags that I have taken. The bottom side it shows the jackfruit seeds which have been taken and kept aside. I have used only the rags, I have not used the jackfruit seeds. Remove the rags, then cut it into pieces. I have shown it in the photograph. I have cut into pieces. Add little, then smear the cut pieces with little salt and keep for 10 to 15 minutes. For preparing the masolu, you need grated coconut, red chilies, and it is been ground to a very fine paste, adding little water. Add the ground masolu to a vessel, add little salt and dharmiya salt, or you can add even sour curd to it. Mix well, add water if required, again mix well. Now do the seasoning. Heat oil in a pan or a kadai, add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add cumin seeds followed by addition of curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over the cooked coconut paste. Now coming to the rags or the bhuthal. Squeeze the rags and deep fry them in oil. Add this to the cooked ground coconut paste and mix well. Your Bhuthala rag raita is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.